Today we are bringing you 3 games with water balloons. Our first game is a twist on monkey in the middle. We're going to have 2 people on the outside throwing the water balloon back and forth. The person on the middle, they're going to try and shoot the water balloon with our water squirter. If they do it successfully, then they get to be on the side and are out of the middle, or if the water balloon pops, whoever didn't catch it is in the middle. You guys ready to play?
Yeah.
All right. On your mark, get set, go! Ah, I got it! So now I try out with Cameron. Ah!
Brittany, sounds good!
Here we go with the next one. Oh, thank you! So Grant's in the middle, I tricked him. Woo! Successful. All right, next one. 1, 2, 3. Oh, he got it first. So now we switch. So that is our monkey in the middle twist with water balloons. For this game, we are using these little pool noodle lounge chairs. You can buy them at the dollar store, but we've done a twist and put them on our wrists and holding them out in front. I'm going to go and just in flies up style, toss it toward them. If they catch it, they get to throw the water balloon at whoever they want. You guys excited? Yeah. Good set. Flies up. Oh, and down it goes. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Got him. He got it. Uh-oh.
Run! Run!
Here he goes. All right, Grant successfully got away, but that was a good try. On to our next game. For this game, we are all going to get drenched. You can tell I already am, but now all of us are going to get wet. And you're drenched too, huh? Both of us are drenched. If you want to see why we're drenched, go ahead and check out this game up here as well. We have 3 more water balloon ideas for you. But in one of these balloons is a Gatorade-filled balloon. So one of us is going to soon be covered in blue Gatorade. Oh my goodness.
Yes!
You're excited. You're going to have to be able to tell if yours is the winning Gatorade just by the taste, because your eyes will be closed from the minute you reach your hand into the bowl to when you squeeze it, and have to tell if it's water or Gatorade. If you get the Gatorade, then you get to take whatever water balloons are left in the bowl and be able to throw them at the other people. Sound good?
Yeah.
Awesome. All right.
I want to go first.
Close your eyes. We're going to move the bowl around. All right. Reach in and see if you can get one. Ooh, he's going for a bottom one. Hold it over your head and pop it. Oh!
My turn.
Oh, you don't look at it, and you have to try and guess water or Gatorade.
Water.
It was water. You're right. All right, Cameron's turn. Close your eyes. We're going to move the bowl around. All right. Go for it, Cameron. Over your head and pop it.
It's totally water.
Totally water, he said, and he is right. All right, here I go. 1, 2, 3. No, you can't look good.
Oh.
Every time, we're gonna have to put a blindfold over you. Rain showers.
Only a couple left.
I don't know. Water or Gatorade? It's water.
This is impossible.
Water or Gatorade? Can you taste it?
Water.
Water. All right.
My turn.
There aren't going to be any water balloons left to throw at whoever it is. That's so crazy. 1, 2, 3. We are down to the last 3. Who would have guessed?
Totally How do you know?
And it's out. It was water. So you have a 50-50 chance. I sure hope she gets it, or else I'm going to be all blue.
All right.
All right, the first one you touch.
I think it was
Water or Gatorade?
Gatorade.
Does it taste pretty good? That was some pretty potent Gatorade. So he wins, and he gets 1 water balloon. Good job. I can't believe it came down to the last one. Oh, you gotta come here. You gotta come here. I think both of us are gonna stay. Both of us are gonna stay. And we're all soaking wet. these games, come on over. What should they do? I think he's going for some water.
Down below.
Oh no. If you enjoyed it, give us a big thumbs up down below. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.